Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Folsom, local, and long-distance movers near me. Finding the best and cheapest Folsom moving company should be easy. When you choose 3 Movers, you get a crew ready to get you moved faster. Our team will help you with a large or small move. Whether you're moving a 5-bedroom home or a small dorm room, we will make it happen fast and efficiently. When you need to move 100 miles or further, you need a long-distance moving company. Our team will help you, whether it's a move to the next state over or across the country. We make your long-distance moves so much easier. Along with regular moving services, we also offer the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. You might not want to spend the money on a local California moving company. However, when you see the benefits, you might be surprised at how much you get for the money you spend. Hiring a local moving company means you save tons of time, plus your things will all be transported properly from your current location to your new location. A top moving team like 3 Movers can streamline your entire moving day. We can make your move so much faster. When you would need a week to pack up and move, we can get it done in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Folsom moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.